Welcome to this vlog. So basically this video is from about a month ago. Yeah, 4th of July, and because I haven't been working on the editing and stuff, so
we're posting it late.
A whole month late.
So
welcome to the vlog.
it's just you and Megs, and today it's 4th of July.
Yay.
Get decorations up. And yeah. So we are making cupcakes. As you can see behind me, and just waiting for them to cool before we frost them. And so yeah. Just yeah.
Hey, what am I supposed to do?
So these are the cupcakes that we finished like an hour ago. And so yeah, these are Suzanne's and these are mine, and of course these came out the best.
I was just thinking how last year we vlogged and we probably just deleted the vlog because of how cringy it was.
Yeah, probably. I mean, we did. I mean,
so this is where we will have our picnic for dinner. And we will have a tablecloth on because, you know. So, I have quite a bit of vegetable scraps that I can take to the rabbits, like you can't have any, you're a doggy, you don't eat vegetables. Okay, and okay. You're hungry, Clover. Here. So it is like what time is it? 6 o'clock?
yeah.
So it's time to barbecue. Hi Harley, you're gonna love the smell of it, and you're gonna be really jealous that you can't have any. Hi. So yeah, it's kind of warm outside, and I tried braiding my hair, but I just totally failed. So again, it's not enough. Is it? I think we need to do more than that, dude.
Well, for hot dogs, you don't cook them too long.
That's true. It's actually nice outside.
Kind of.
Yeah, this is not weird at all to just be randomly sitting on your sidewalk, is it? Is that weird?
Yeah.
There's not even...
If we don't answer in your pants.
The sidewalk feels cool.
I'm staring at his face. It's kind of
We are not weird humans.
waiting for your independence.
Friendly! I don't know what I do. All I do is say bye.
Patches, come on. Patches, over there. Hey, over there.
Patches!
Oh, you good boy. Who's your boy? Where's a good boy? Good boy, hello. I guess we'll put the fireworks on. I think it came by for the dinner.
Yeah.
They want watermelon.
Watermelon! The best thing I've seen in my life. Oh, wait, how does that go?
So in my home and see funny videos.
I forgot how it went. Oh yeah, there's a knife in my home made of watermelon. It was like a knife made out of watermelon. A little fire.
So cute.
Oh, that probably shouldn't be right there. No, don't do that.
The foil's on fire. That's good because everything good start. Ooh. Can I do that? Or do you want to do it?
Do it.
year. There's a couple rolled off, and then some rolled off to play on the ground. And we're having a terrible time. You can run the other way. It's just better side. They're there, roll. Okay, no, no, no.
Well, you can get a little bit burned. I'm gonna get mine over because it's supposed to be done. Okay, you bring up the yellow one, I guess. Oh, the hot dogs are almost ready. Let's do an eat down there, I think.
What's going on inside?
Where's the other side's a salad? Oh, I want to
Everybody's hands clean from touching dogs?
Yeah.
Wait, yours is Megan?
Touching the dogs? Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a Coke. What do you want? This?
I want my
You want this,
soda that I
Anna?
never finished. Where is it? Where?
Yeah, I like sharing.
There was a soda that I never finished. What did someone do with it?
Really? You can do it. I don't know. I don't know if you're not.
Besides, let's see.
A hot
What's
dog's
left to bring out besides the salad?
Nothing.
I gotta get a spoonful. Just the salad.
Seems like last time we had more food. It sounds like the hot dogs are done.
I don't know. We just they are done.
Oh, no.
Yeah. That's
Well, hot dog, salad, and yellow
We had-
cheese is pretty nice.
we had tons of sauce last time.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah. Molly brought them. Oh, we had chips and dip, I think. Yeah, they're done. Nice. They're
Hot dogs
real-
are American.
What?
Hot dogs are very American.
They are?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think hamburgers, is hamburgers an American thing or just Americans started using it?
It's an American thing, but it sounds German.
You got all those pores on your nose.
You
Our
got
black
pores- You got
heads.
pores too.
Hey, stop. This is for the salad. And these only need a few seconds, so once everything's done, I'll put these on. Oh, okay. Never mind. Is Molly bringing the salad out?
Don't let those burn. Whoops. Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Don't ever do
Everybody chases the salad.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Oh, yeah, we need a spoon.
This is just.
Yeah. Mommy. Let's get a good picture.
You want to take pictures?
Yours good, Megan?
Was yours good?
Yeah.
That means mine's good too. Okay, I'm gonna start eating this before I get too full to eat it. I like that. You know, like some actors when they have the little eyes, it makes them look fierce. I don't know.
Hello.
Intimidating.
I don't know, not necessarily. It seems like big eyes would be more intimidating.
Not me. When they're squinting, they're looking like.
in the movies, a lot of times they make the bad guys look pretty mean.
Yeah. But in real life.
Or the crooks look really mean.
Yeah, the
In real
actors
life,
have the
bad
looks
people
for it too.
don't
As a
necessarily
set.
look bad.
But in reality, sometimes the nice-looking people are the biggest crooks.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah, that's why they're so successful. People think they're honest and they're not.
I mean, just
Who's in that one?
me. Me. I make my own weird faces. I'm gonna delete them now. Okay, then I guess we'll wait like 15 minutes and have watermelon. And then tonight we'll have, after fireworks, we'll have those pie.
Okay, sounds good. Like
And the watermelon's cold, so it'll cool you down a little bit. Such good quality, but you can just see like the black heads. Oh! Or sleepy picture. You know
what am I doing?
You're wiping your mouth.
It's like I'm dragging my cigarette.
Ew. Hey!
No, Megan, no. Stop.
Oh, do the two cameras like close together.
Suzanne,
Stop fucking yeah. Yeah, I've done one we were video calling before.
Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, you look.
Okay.
Too bad that wasn't on video.
I did that video.
Really?
Let me hear it. Do it again. This is funny. What?
I'm gonna play it back. I wanna watch it.
Well, what you do is you just
Yeah, it's out, I guess.
I'm like laughing so hard I have tears in my eyes.
Wait, you guys see that?
Oh no.
That's like a going viral video.
No, you don't. Don't you dare post that anywhere. Okay.
This is our family.
Wait,
What did? Oh,
where is it?
make it on.
Wait.
Yeah.
too bad that wasn't on video.
I did the video.
Really?
Can I see the video?
Yeah.
Oh, I got stuck in my soda.
The video is now posting on Facebook.
Let's put this away now. Just keep it cool.
Post it to YouTube because it's funny.
Oh,
Well, if
I just took the best video on the internet.
I don't know if it's gonna
can
be
you, like,
just
send it
friends
to my
only
iPod?
or what.
yeah, I can send it to you.
If you can send it to my iPod, then I can put it in my blog.
Uh-uh.
You know, it's finishing up.
This is my wonderful family. No.
Oh, how polite.
Imagine the people watching. Oh no.
They're gonna be shocked because that's not something that comes from me on the Facebook.
I made you like my post, by the way.
And then
I posted this on 4th of July.
Oh.
so
There's fireworks and like
all around.
you hear boom, boom, boom,
Why
boom.
are you doing your fireworks?
I know. Want to see them?
Patience, people.
Patience, people. Patience.
So, now we just gotta wait around until we see bigger ones, and then when it gets completely dark, we'll do ours.
Make it the queep. I'm making the
So
queep.
yeah,
Man,
I'm just
God,
waiting
my
for the big
God.
fireworks coming from that house over there, and we all jump backwards.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for that.
By the way, that propane tank is empty, so you can't steal propane from us.
I'll leave that out. Okay, guess I use all my storage.
Okay.
It's actually nice and cool here. Why is it cool? It's July. Why are you? This. I can't speak. This was a pretty cool 4th of July. No pun intended. Now we're gonna use the truck as a way to stand on top of
High five. High five.
High five. We're gonna stand on top of the truck to look over the almond trees because the almond trees are in the way. We can't see the fireworks. Thanks a lot, almond trees.
Lean back a little backwards then. We don't want to fall off.
Why is it not starting?
It's cold.
That does not sound good. The sick truck. Sick truck.
Yeah.
And breezy. Why is it so cool out here?
I know, it's amazing.
Imagine if I drop my phone, the dad runs over it.
There's no weeds now, it's all green. Oh, you see that stuff on the...
You know what happens? Those little balls fall off.
Yeah.
And it goes on the ground.
And then it pops.
Is that it? Woo!
Wait,
Why is the light not turning on? Oh, I just... There we go. Right, so we just finished fireworks. So it's 10:30 and we just finished
there's
fireworks.
like tons of fireworks like just surrounding us, and there's our neighbors are doing them.
Our neighbors have the best fireworks.
I know.
We kept like abandoning our fireworks to look at our neighbors' fireworks.
Yeah.
Especially our neighbors north of us because
Yeah.
the fireworks are big. And now we're gonna have pie and watermelon.
Pie and watermelon, yeah.
And I'm tired. And it doesn't help that I only have 3 hours of sleep.
Good
last night.
night.